Assalamualaikum everyone. In this today's video, we are going to discuss another important organic chemistry practical, and this video is about identification of unknown compound urea. In the past part of this video, we have discussed this all these tests on this compound. Now we move on to the further lecture. This is the part two. If you have don't see the part one, then go to my channel and visit the part first video. So now we move on to the next page. So now we are going to differentiate aliphatic compound from the aromatic compound by this test. So you will take some amount of organic compound and dissolve it in the concentrated H2SO4 and also HNO3, and then boil it at the low temperature for 3 to 5 minutes. First you cool it, and then first you cool it under the tap water, and then you add distilled water in it. No yellow ppt indicated that the aliphatic compounds are present. So as you see in the urea, so it is aliphatic compound, it is not aromatic, it has no aromatic benzene ring in it. So for the detection of a different element, you have seen that we are performing some tests for the nitrogen, sulfur and halogen atom. For the detection of element, I have asked to you, whenever you are detecting the element, you have to take 2 ml of sodium extract. So you will take 2 ml of sodium extract, 3 drop of this solution of FeSO4, and then also you add 2 to 3 drops of NaOH. Now for nitrogen, always the color is Persian blue. So if the Persian blue or violet colors appear, then you will say that the nitrogen is present. But when the nitrogen sorry, Persian blue color doesn't appear, it means the nitrogen atom is not present in that compound. So in the urea compound, as you know the structure of urea, it has 2 nitrogen atoms in it. So therefore Persian blue color appears. Now we perform the test for the sulfur atom. You will take 2 ml of sodium extract, and you will also add glacial acetic acid. For the sulfur, always black shining ppt obtained. So here you know that urea has no sulfur atom in it. So you will say that no black ppt is going to form, and you will indicate it that sulfur is not present in that compound. For the sulfur atom, you will always take lead acetate solution, and you can also take the sodium nitroprusside test for the detection of sulfur, but here we are using lead acetate solution. Now the third test is for the halogens atom, and for the halogens, again you will take 2 ml of sodium extract, and for halogen you will add concentrated HNO3 and AgNO3 1 ml, and then you will heat it and then cool it. The ppt which you will obtain is no white or yellow ppt. Okay, so majorly we say white ppt, yellow is less, so you will say no white ppt, so therefore halogens are absent in it. So you know, yeah, that urea has no halogen atom in it. Now we will perform a test for the detection of functional groups, that what kind of functional group is present. You will take that compound which is given to you in a test tube, and then you will add 2 ml of NaOH solution in it, heat it, and then you will test with the red litmus paper. So the litmus paper turns the color blue, so it indicated that the presence of amide group in that compound. So amide group is NH2 group, so you know that the urea has 2 amide groups in it. So therefore the litmus paper is going to convert into the blue color. So this is indicating the functional group, that the amide group is present. At the last, you will are going to perform the confirmatory test. You will say that it is confirmed that urea is present. So you will heat 0.5 gram of that sample, and then cool it, and then you will going to add NaOH in it. Violet coloration is appeared, so you will say that the urea is present. So another confirmatory test is also given, that you will say the derivation of urea. You will take 0.2 gram of that compound and 1 ml of water plus HNO3, then heat it and cool it, wait for the 5 minutes. White ppt of urea nitrate separate out. So urea nitrate is the derivative of urea, so it is obtaining that urea is present, because urea nitrate is the derivative of urea. At the last, you are going to perform the melting test. We have also performed the melting test determination test for the benzoic acid, benzamide, and at the last, we are going to perform for the urea. So urea melting point is going to be 132. So you note the boiling point of benzoic acid that it was about 121 to 122 degrees Celsius, and the melting point of benzamide is 129 degrees centigrade. Now the urea has melting point of 132 degrees centigrade. So by detecting the melting point, you will also notice that the urea is present. At the last, you will give the results that the given compound is aliphatic in nature. You see it has no benzene ring in it. So and it also contain the nitrogen atom, you see, and it also contain two amide groups in it. So therefore this compound is urea. Okay. सो डेट वाज ऑल अबाउट द टुडेज लेक्चर. आई होप कि आप लोगों को आज का लेक्चर समझ में आया होगा. इफ़ यू हैव सम क्वेश्चन देन कमेंट्स मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, देन आई विल आंसर टू you. And if you have don't subscribe to my channel, then go to the subscribe button, press it, and also press the bell icon button, and like my videos to get more notification of about all the videos which I uploaded for you. Thank you so much. Keep watching my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.